Tip number 2 that we have is praising your students with specific compliments or specific words. For example, if you're just telling them all the time like excellent, good job, bravo, or all of these encouraging words, that's very nice, but they don't really know what they have done right that you're praising them for. So you can simply say, that was excellent job that you got all the words in the right spelling this time, or that was excellent presentation, you stopped or you actually managed to pronounce the p sound correctly, or you did this right or that right. In this way, the students would know the kind of good thing that they have done, so that they would be able to repeat it all the time, and that will give them even more confidence. Of course, you can use words like excellent and bravo and all of these encouraging compliments, just to try to attach to them a specific right action that they have done.